Number blocks 10 square number addition. Let's go. 49 plus 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 49 is equals to 490. 36 plus 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 36 is equals to 360. 25 plus 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 25 is equals to 250. 16 plus 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 16 is equals to 160. 9 plus 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 9 is equals to 90. 4 plus 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 4 is equals to 40. 4 plus 9 plus 9 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 is equals to 170. 9 plus 16 plus 16 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 36 plus 36 plus 36 plus 36 is equals to 260.